trust and drew a brighter world for us. Ash could see beyond the blue, where distant dreams were coming true. We raised the sails and left the bay as old restraints dissolved away. The wind became a steady guide and carried every hope with pride. A new horizon, burning gold, a wider story waits untold. The sky reveals a grand design, and every heart begins to shine. A new horizon, clear and near, we greet the future, gathered here with open sails and spirits strong. We turn the distance into song. New ideas arrived like rain and brought new purpose once again. Every voice became a ray that helped illuminate the way. Ash revealed what vision means, to build beyond familiar scenes. We watch the shoreline fade from view and sail toward horizons bold and new. A new horizon, burning gold, a wider story waits untold. The sky reveals a grand design, and every heart begins to shine. A new horizon, clear and near, we greet the future, gathered here with open sails and spirits strong. We turn the distance into song. Morning opened like a door and showed us there was always more. Every ending cleared the way for brighter colors in the day. We crossed beyond the edge we knew and watched the promise come in